Let's get the chat. What's up? What's up? I kind of want to get rid of this. Let's pop the chat. Okay. I know it's a little bit quiet, but I have music playing on Spotify because I hate using the rights-free music. So yeah. Okay, let's start creating the project. So I'm going to create an HTMX plus Templ plus Golang project. There's a little bit of setup here that's a little bit unusual. And okay, so I have the module there, have the migrations. Kind of did it the other way around, but it's meant to be like that. Init.sql. There you go. And this one, let's change it also to seed.sql. Okay. Also, so we have this right here. That works. We also want to install air, so there you go, we have air. Oh, and I have to make sure that I point to my server file. I'll make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see. Okay, so we have works here. So we have that. Also, we want to install Templ. Let's see from my notes. So I already have a project using Templ and Tailwind. Always I want to include my environment variables. We can add some help commands over here, which I'm going to borrow from another project. So we don't have either build or run or start, or I mean start proxy or restart. Probably I'll get rid of this restart. but up, down, we'll use this. Okay, so now if I do make help, well, first I gotta save this. And also no such file. Okay, so let's add the .env. Git ignore. Very important. Alright, so those are the following commands. Probably there's a neater way to display those, but at least we have that going. Okay, I gotta install, I released like the Templ CLI or something of the sort. It's been a while. That's fine. Installation. Okay, so I install that. I don't need to run Docker. Then I know how to do this. Okay. Let me see if I have this from my repo. Did I write a README? No. Okay, that's fine. I'll put a README here. README.mt. Then so I have the following build. I know that I have to install Templ, but generate and go build the output. So that will be the name of my binary. So I'll put the name of the binary pointing towards my server. Let's add that here. Binary is equal to real estate binary. Oh, this has to be a little bit. There you go. Otherwise, you guys don't get to see the chat. Okay, so now if I do make build, I have the binary here. That's good. Templ version check. Templ not found in God. Oh, yeah. Go get it. Okay. All right, there you go. So now, I mean, not that I have Templ is older in Templ version. Go find and I'll consider upgrading Templ CLI. All right, I'll upgrade Templ CLI. By the way, I'm using the live reload. It's actually really good, which is why I want to show this on this live stream. I wonder where it shows where to install the CLI, or in my case, upgrade. Just install Templ. For now, you can use Tristan install. Nope. I already have this. Yeah, I already have that. Am I missing something? Door was a command line interface. Users will need to run the Templ generate command. And didn't I run that? Installation. Oh, this for the command line, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Now it's to the most up-to-date version. Sweet. Alright, so if I do make build, perfect. We don't have any Templ files, so it's not a big deal right now, but later on it'll be nice to have the most up-to-date Templ command, Templ CLI. So this is what I normally do with air. So this command is fine. That command is fine. So now the last thing that I do is Templ generate, and then I notify. I'll set up a proxy in a little bit. Notify proxy. And you guys will see how I set up the proxy. I'm actually curious if they updated their docs, because the proxy is actually really good. Watch proxy, open browser. Yeah, I mean, it's that simple. Proxy. Let's see if AI works. I had this this plugin. Let's see. add Templ proxy watch command. That's not the AI that I want to use, by the way. I normally use just the browser. I actually didn't like it. This is called Avante. I don't know. I didn't like the plugin, or yeah. I think there's a lot to be said for debuggers and AI tools in NeoBim, but you know, it's getting there. Let's see, run proxy, generate watch. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. So let's apply that. And what is it? Oh, there's CA. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's not bad. So now I just have to declare the port. I don't think we need this, but probably someone on the internet added that, so let's add here port 8080. What else? I'll add the database stuff in a little bit. Or actually, let's see if Docker compose.yaml. Let's see. I'm using Claude, by the way, so I'm using an Anthropic API key with tokens to run this Avante. Create a Docker compose file with only a PostgreSDB Docker image using env variables for the user, password, db, host, etc. Don't worry to add, you're getting enough file to keep the information out of version control. Apply this. Then all theirs. Well, let's compare to what I have. I'm actually curious how decent it got. So the version is different, that's fine. And I believe that from now on you can actually drop this, like the version, but I may be wrong. Services DB, I want to specify Postgres, but that's fine. Postgres DB image, Postgres Alpine, sure. Container name, real estate DB, that's fine. Restart, nope. I don't want it to restart because it's annoying. So restart, no. Environment, Postgres user. Actually, I don't mind. DB user, DB password, DB name. Postgres DB, DB name, DB password, DB user. That's fine. So I'm gonna close this. So this is just for the sake of the tutorial, so I don't care that you guys have access to this, or yeah, it's not even public. And I'm not gonna use this for deployment either way, so I'll just write, actually, let's do this. And we can do, okay, didn't apply tool, okay, that's fine. Should have. What do I put for password? I'll just put something goofy. Core real estate. Real. Yeah, I don't know. DB name. Go. Real estate. DB. I don't know. Okay, there's that. Am I missing any other environment variable? No. Port support, that's fine. Oh, D port. DB port. 5432. Yep. Typical Postgres port. Also, I'm actually gonna copy and paste the Goose drivers, and you'll see why. But I'll just have an easier time. Oh, that's root, DB name. Okay. Docker compose up. Awfully quiet tonight, huh? Oh, I already have something running. Docker stop. Docker ps. Was it Q? There you go. Ooh, no, I want to run it. What is it? Decoupled? Is that the correct word? Anyway, real estate DB, nice. So we have that. Now I actually got to start the application. Let's see. Create the main.go file with Templ connected and have it render a simple index HTML page using the base page with Templ. It's actually not bad. Okay. That's the other thing I don't love about NeoVim. I don't see the line to drag this to make it. There you go. How you create a complete set of Templ include the main server file top of the module first, let's update the main go file. So let's apply one by one. And then alright, that I'm fine with it. I just don't like why echo. I don't like echo. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, that's to create a router, it seems, with echo. So I just want to do it with the standard library. So I may use actually go Claude interface for this. But so far that's not bad. I'll change this. Router with standard library. Okay, that's fine. Let's carry on. So we have the handle home and we have the render function. That's fine. Now let's create the necessary Templ AI files first. Base layout. Okay, so apply that. Sorry, apply this. No such file. Okay, so I guess I gotta create it, which is use layouts base.templ. Okay. After one is file managed by MacDroid. Guess not. So accept theirs. Well, this should be called views, not pages, but could not import GitHub. Okay, components. Templ base component. Okay, that's fine. Page is home.templ. Oh, did I mess up the one above? No, that's the base. Okay. Okay, that's fine. that's fine. Let's create some basic components. Actually, this is not bad, to be honest. Like, I'm somewhat enjoying this. Like, it's, you know, a little bit nicer. Not gonna lie. Especially, I like the fact that Templ is kind of like React, but for Golang. So, I like that. So let's apply this. Components. Use components footer. That's fine. Like, it's a lot of quote unquote boilerplate code. There's just so much nicer that in this case Claude is doing for me. Go with tidy, Templ generate, that's fine. Run proxy. Yep, I have that. Views, layouts, pages, perfect. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So now we're gonna save everything. Oh, now the last thing is to actually create the router. So let's use Claude for this. What's I gonna put? Oh yeah. Standard HTTP library Golang. I actually want to go before I like go to Claude. I want to, you know, make sure that I look into the standard library. Or is it net? Yeah, net. Net HTTP. Servers. Yeah. Okay. What about not a server but a router and multiplexer? HTTP. No, it has to be here. Alright, so because I don't want to take too much time, I'm sure that I can find it, but show me an example. Go HTTP router or multiplexer using only the standard library. So what I like about this is that I don't copy all and paste it. For the Templ I did because I really don't care for the Templ code. It's just HTML. And later, as I move forward, then I'll create more and more my own Templ stuff. But I feel that AI is great kind of like as a very specific Stack Overflow. And I always feel that you shouldn't copy the code, that you should write it. Even though it may be slower, I think it allows you to digest what you're writing. For example, all of this, like, I don't need it. R method get. Like, what is this? This is, okay, this is not useful. I don't know. I'm also tired, so maybe I'm not. Handle func. Okay, new server mux. There you go. That's what I was looking for. New server mux. New serve mux. Okay, we can get rid of this. What? What did I put? So I have my own server struct. I'm just gonna call it server. Where it's gonna have an address. Actually, that it's not an address per se, it's a port, but sure. It's going to be pointing to a DB. Okay. So that server is going to have a new server function where it's going to take an address of type string and a pointer of type SQLDB pointer. And it's going to return a pointer to the server. Okay, there you go. And by the way, Golang is cool that, or nice in that way that it's kind of like JavaScript where that you can omit it. Though if you write it this way, then you have to write it this way too. Or you can just leave it like that. Okay, so we have that. Router. Okay, we don't have middlewares for the standard library, I believe. Let's leave this for now. Let's create a file system variable. Let's be the, sorry, a file server. So that will allow me to render static files. Static. Okay, router dot static. So we're gonna pass both the writer and the request parameters into the function. That way we can make use of methods for writing in and requesting data. And here, so the file path.extension is equal to CSS, then we'll serve it as a CSS. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but since I had trouble prior, I'm gonna write it because I remember struggling with this. So if it's CSS, then we will add a header, kind of like the, what was it, JSON, like text dash JSON header whenever you use Postman. Well, here for content type CSS, I'll put that content type text. So instead of doing this as you've seen before, this for CSS. And strip prefix static. Oh, I put triple. I'm too deep into the JS world. Okay. Also, this has triple because my keyword is crazy. Okay, there you go. By the way, I'm listening a little bit of minimal techno. It's actually not bad. Would be nice that YouTube allowed Spotify music on the video, as long as you put like the credits, or I'll credit the artists. I think you would benefit both disc records and artists. I don't know, maybe would be nice. Either way. Okay, let's get rid of this and continue. Alright, let's see if we can display the route page. Okay, use Oh, okay. So, okay. Yeah, this is not the way. I remember there is a way to, like, you write get in the string, something like that. No. Ah, that's annoying. Uh, there you go. That's what I was looking for. Is it with handle funk, really? All right. So I have. Yeah, I haven't even finished creating the new server stuff. Ah. Serve. Let's do that. Oh, because I'm not passing it here. Oh my god. I'm so sleepy. Alright, now there you go. There you go. Okay, let's render something. Let's start rendering something. Yeah, pages. Yeah, exactly. And why is this not? Uh, so I actually want to write this on my own to see what I'm messing up with, which in this case it seems that it's just like the import, but alright, so that's that's a formatter from Golang not working well. It's one of those days. And this module. Alright, I'm gonna close that. Go.mod. There you go. No record module package. Oh. Pages. Sometimes I have to restart that. What? Alright, let's see a static setup. Looks fine. That didn't look fine. Also here, I'm not rendering shit. Wait, did I mean duh, I missed this. I mean, I don't think that will make a difference, but I did forget creating the static folder. And I say that I don't think it'll make a difference because currently we're not using anything that would be inside of that folder in order to render something, so. Let's see. Yeah, no. We don't need anything in there for now. Could not import, no. Okay, that's probably another error. Wait. Oh my god. Well, that didn't do anything either way. Let me see if I can force a rebuild. Port 80,000 already in use. So TCP. Alright, let's scale this. what is it? Kill 9. Okay. Just want to make sure that nothing else is running. Oh my god. Attribution. Twitch chat not helping. Okay. Whatever. I had this working the other day. I mean, I have my project right now that I know that it works, but I don't want to run that, so let's just get this working. Okay, so let's see, undefined pages dot base. Okay, match sphere methods, then static but has more general path pattern. Ooh, what? Do I just... okay. Register. Okay, so that means that I have this right here. Static. Rather than dot handle static. Handler func, yeah, that's fine. And then I have this. Straight prefix. Yeah, that's fine. And let's try it right explicitly home. Not a solution that I would like love to be forced to do, but let's see if that works. Hey, there you go. Welcome to real estate. Okay. So now let's see why am I hitting that? Wait, this doesn't happen. I mean, obviously it has to do with like this, like, you know, crashing with this right here. This is what I personally like Claude to, you know, use it for, which is not that. Didn't I copy this properly? Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm returning this error. My seems to be colliding. I don't know if colliding is the right or exact word. Is it handle phone? I mean, I normally use Chi router, but what? Oh, probably that's why. Nope, this is weird. Well, whatever. Also, I have handle font here instead of just handle. Let's see if that works. Okay, I already tried not copy pasting the error, but let's see. Yeah, that's what I was saying, but okay. Could you share the real main Doco powers and others that way I can see the Earth's static is registered. Seeing how you're centered, it would have been. Alright, fine. Let's put all the surf method here. Yes, it does. I just use it, but okay. See, that's what I don't love about Claude. I just saw with my own eyes. Using this. Let's train it. Let's tell it that it actually does work. Yeah, I know I have a typo. No, this Gorilla Mugs. I mean, for that, I'll just use Chi Router, which is what I'm. News, surf mugs, yep. Handle funk. Max retries. There you go. Really? Was it really just that? Yeah, have you tried Cursor yet? AI Coder makes life a little better since you can just load up your project and it reads the code instead of having to specify too much content, although you can still. Hey, what's up, Joe? So actually I have you're right, a little bit late to the stream, but I have a plugin called Avante, so I'll show you right now. So I can do this and I can say declare a new route using the standard library of Go's HTTP. What is it? New serve mux. And return the about page. So what I could do is do the apply this. So I don't know why it puts pages.base and that pages home. But all right, let's say that I like this. I'll put there's yeah, like what. So I don't have an about page, but let's see. Okay, I think I have to create a about page. Accept all. There you go. Yeah, exactly. It's like a cursor plugin. I really like it. I was actually hating on it the other day. Not the other day. Well, actually the other day too, but at the beginning of the streaming I was not very like convinced, and now it's actually not bad. So I'm happy with it. I did like all of this templating with Avante, so it's pretty chill. All right, let's start adding tailwind. Um, so I need to add it here. Okay, never mind. I do need this. Real estate views components could not import. Why not? Ah, this is wrong. Arthur Phil. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I hear you seems to hit or miss for me, but definitely has helped learn some new things. So that's the thing. I like cursor, or what Avante would be in this case. Hey Vasista, how are you? But yeah, Joe, I think it's good to create code, but in order to learn, in my opinion, Claude is better. And this is why you can have a conversation and you can ask questions rather than not only grab the code, but for example, let's say if you don't understand something like um, I'm trying to think of something like specific. Let's say the nav bar. I don't know. Like, let's say, why do you have to put Templ before the component in the Templ file for Golang? I don't know. This is an example. I'm not like particularly interested in this specific case, but so and it explains to you like, oh, okay, so Templ syntax. So in Templ files, you need to declare Templ. So like rather than copy pasting, I think that this is very useful, and also something important like projects, for example. I actually have an HTMX project here. So you have here a master plan. So like these are like my requirements, things that I want to accomplish, etc. The routes, and based upon that, like it already has context and feedback. So I think this is something that is very important that you miss out with cursor, which is why, if given the choice, probably I would spend my 20 monthly dollars on that instead of cursor. But I do hear you. Like, so I spend like only 20 tokens on this, and it won't be renewable. So once I finish with this, I'm not sure if I'll continue like reusing it, but it's definitely nice to have. I can see that. Where was I? Oh yeah, adding tailwind. Tailwind. So for this particular case, I remember I was struggling with tailwind. So I think I was just using the CDN for development, and then okay, so like for example, I rather ask Claude than using Avant in this specific case. Yeah, the cursor app you can choose Claude 3.2 and it will explain or give reasoning. Yeah, like that's true. Like you can still have a conversation, but I feel that this is more like there's more like how do you say, quote unquote conversation compared to like the cursor or Avante for that matter plugin. And here like there's more that you can do like for learning purposes additional to coding. So for example, right now I have a Golang plus Templ project and I want to add Tailwind to it. Let's see what it gives. Like I already implemented this, but I want to see if it gives me like the cool way of setting this up. All right, so I'm using PM in my project, so this is not that far off. So install Tailwind as a dependency, development dependency, so that's also not bad. So you init, so create a Tailwind config file, that's fine. And then you point towards Templ. Okay, this is pretty good. Like, it's crazy that in order for me to get this done, like I had to watch a YouTuber because I did this like a couple of months ago and Claude was not a thing yet. And now like this spits all of the setup out in a really good manner. So I don't know. People have to start using AI for sure. I think that if you use it properly and you leverage it properly, you can learn and not make it a crutch, but more as a catalyst to learn more. So yeah, definitely AI is very, very useful. All right, so I already have this. Okay, so let's start setting this up. I'm actually curious what wait, did I stop the server? Oh, what? Yeah, I love it to use it to save time, not necessarily to do everything because I still want to learn and understand what I'm doing behind my code. What are you building today? Yeah, same. I agree. So I'll show a little preview. So I'll get rid of this session. So I have this one. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of all the sessions. Yeah, let's get rid of that. So oh, didn't I stop? Okay, didn't I stop the proxy? Probably not. 7331. So 7331. Make no. Why is this pointing? Oh, I didn't stop the other one either. Duh. Uh, oof, okay. out stuff one by one. Because I want to show you. I want to show you like exactly, well, how it would look like once it looks nice. Okay. Did I mess up something? Talk, makeup. Interesting. Make start proxy. There you go. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So it's built with Golang, Tailwind. I haven't used HTMX yet. Obviously, there's still about. I mean, there's still a lot of things to work on. But that's what I'm working on. It's a little bit messy though. So I already have this footbeats. Yeah, so like that, but you know, I'm trying to rebuild it. But there's a lot of stuff that I need to like get to it. So you know, trying to build a different app, but that looks nice with Golang, HTMX, Tailwind, Templ, and this will be a real estate app where you can see properties, track them, create like a portfolio of interest. I don't know, like something fun. But yeah, that's essentially it. So now let me get rid of this. Okay, cool. All right, let's put that down. So now I can go to the other project. Why do I have a networks up here? Default. Oh, I'm still in that path. There you go. Now we are in the new path. There you go. Yeah, it's not bad. Definitely, there's always, you know, whenever you start a project, there's a lot of setup, which is what I encountered today. But I don't know. It's been a while. I've been doing a lot of TypeScript at work, so just wanted to do something different today. Come on, Phil. So we're running. All right, perfect. So we're there. All right, so let's go back to Claude implementation, or just installing Tailwind. And I'm gonna open another terminal with the other project just so I can guide myself. PM init yes to all. There you go. Perfect. That's fine. So I'm gonna borrow this. And what else? So I need to write the tailwind config. Nah, that's fine. Okay, that makes sense. And that's fine that I get that error. I won't pay attention to it. Actually, yeah, there you go. Content, that's fine. Theme, that's fine. Okay, that's fine for now. Create a static CSS input CSS. What was it? That's fine. I already have that. I can use V because why not? Let me see if I installed it in my other. Yeah, I did. Okay, my V. Oh, PM. And PM. 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 Install. Also, these typos that sometimes I don't want to look for too long. Yeah, that's fine. PM tell implicit such prefixer. Nah, I recall I didn't have to do this. Dev beat build preview beat preview. And PX feed. No, it seems about the same shit. So I'll just run oh come on, what now? In JSON. Oh. Okay, there you go. And so now air should be running both. If I go to my air.toml, which by the way I should ignore it. .toml. And also I should ignore temp. Cool build. Shit. Well, what else did I have? Just want to make sure that I'm running everything. Go build, tempo, to generate. Nope. Ah, that's the one. So whenever I build a binary, I want to run npm run tailwind and all the other stuff. That way I create all the CSS. But I think for development, I was just using this straight up CDN because I remember having trouble using the live reloaded one. Yeah, like this, literally. Yeah, just grab the straight up CDN. There is a way to use HTMX from a static file that you can download the code and put it there, but I won't do that today because there's not enough time and I should go to sleep soon. So okay, clearly this is not compiled yet. npm install tailwind. Alright, I have that. Okay, turn the environment. So I have views. It's fine. Pages. Components. No. Let's see if that does something. The font should change once this is hooked up. Maybe because I'm not passing the base. Could be. That's a possibility. Oh, I missed something very important. This goes here. pages. There you go. None of arguments will go in pages space. What would it say? Have, want. What? So essentially to, oh, I see. I don't like the way that's done, but okay. It's not clean in my opinion. I like this better. Yes, there you go. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not beautiful, but it's something. Okay, now let's use AI for the last thing, and then I'm gonna start the stream after this. Create a component where it displays cards of cards showing an image. Use a link. So a link to an image of a house from the internet and display that card component in a list. Also use seed icons for this if needed. I did this in my other project, so I know that this is easily achievable. Okay, let's go step by step. Okay, so that's my last query. Okay, so property card. So, and this is going to be in view components. So view components, cards. I'm just gonna put card. Then property card Templ. Just to have some organization there. Okay, so let's apply this. Oh. Come on. Package card, okay. That's annoying. Property card. We want props property tabs dot property. So I'll have my type somewhere here. Tabs property.ts. Jesus. Struct property struct. So if this is a house, it'll have an address. It'll have square footage. We can use a double. Actually, there's no doubles. It's float. What is it? Float 64. Price. Could be in 64, but we'll leave it as float 64. Oh. Let's do image. Let's stay with that. Okay, so now I can go here. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, how.com Arthur field. Okay. Alright, so I'll just change the name of this afterwards. Components, private card, temple components, cards temple. All theirs. Now I'm just gonna copy that. I guess we can omit this for now. Now we can delete this. No. I'll just copy the code. There you go. Okay. So technically I can go in here. do. Yes. Yes. Okay, that looks decently good. I like this. Um, what's cursor recommendation? Properly list. Okay. Components, layouts. Property list. Pages. Should be layout, but that's fine. I'll refactor this later. There you go. Then we can go to home page and do didn't I save this? You know what? Let's do this. Damn, that looks really good. Decently, like I know it's not amazing, but it's something. It's decently good. Okay, I'm gonna stop the stream here. I know this is just fun and like it's not. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just super tired, but I got the setup working, which is what I wanted. Um, yeah, it's clean. I like it, but obviously like there's no logic here yet. I'll focus on that on the next stream. I just want to have everything set up properly. Like the tailwind, the tempo, having this real update, and this because of the proxy. So, um, yeah, I'll put this on GitHub tomorrow. I'm dead, guys. I'm gonna stop the stream here. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the